Apply UV DTF is what this is. This is an application that you could add stickers to your window. I heard about this through a friend of mine who owns a shirt company. This company is called Super DTF. So I just want today to show you guys how easy this is to put on your windows, as long as you have the right application and you have everything all set up. So what you first have to do is you have to tape the window up, get your design on the window straight, make sure everything's great, and then you tape it on one side. What you do from there is you peel this backing off to where it's showing the white. It's very important that when you start this, you get this perfect. From there, it's easy selling.
All right, so now you're gonna start peeling. Oh, be careful, you lost that end of the L. So just put that part back where it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna push that in with the squeegee. There you go. All right, Chris. So what are your first impressions of that experience? Was it difficult the first time?
No, definitely not difficult. I would have probably went slower than I went.
Go a little bit slower.
Go a little bit slower.
But what's the good thing about Super DTF? If you messed up on that little 3 right there,
you could just change it out.
But there's no minimums, is there?
No.
No minimums. Yeah. So something like that would cost about 30 cents, 30, 40 cents to replace. So we're gonna get that replaced for Chris. But other than that, he did an amazing job for his first time applying UV DTF. And this is a big sticker, folks. This is not like something small. And the really cool thing is this part right here This has a UV protected coating, something like what a dentist uses, but for ink. And so it protects it from the sun, it protects it from the water, it protects it in almost anything. So this will last a lot longer than your regular vinyl sticker, and they're full color. You can put any amount of colors that you want. This is an electric, like neon blue that we were able to achieve with our printing process. You guys can order these online where, Chris?
At Super DTF.
Super DTF, huh?
Also, if you need an electrician, my number's right here. I do commercial, residential, service calls, whatever it is. There's my number. I have a license, and I'm Orange County local, but I will go to LA.
All right. So Chris, we just fixed that 3. How fast did we have that ready?
Dude, I literally fixed this in about 5 minutes. It's super easy.
So we messed up on this 3 here, which happens, especially with like big designs like this. And so we just printed out another one, and he's just going over it and he's fixing that 3. And then we also messed up that AL over there, which we'll kind of show you guys. Awesome. Okay, let's do the next one. So we messed up on about 3 spots. But Chris, this is your first time.
Yeah. I would just recommend that you go really slow and maybe watch a YouTube video on how these professionals do it, but you could do it yourself. You know, with that being said, it's pretty basic.
Okay, so we messed up on 3 spots. We fixed these 3s, but now we're fixing this AL part. This AL part, Chris came up with this idea to use tape exactly where it's supposed to go, so that he knows that that's the exact spot where it's gonna go, which is a great idea. And so we're gonna apply this part next. So Chris, how easy was this? What were some things that you would say that you would do differently next time?
Again, I just go slow. Make sure as you're pilling, you're also using the squeegee,
okay,
to get the letters down. Just go slow. The slower, the better. This is a really, really big decal, so you know this is not an easy job for anybody. But for my first time, it's done. All right. Can't make that shit up, though. Yeah, I'm an electrician. I'm not a decal putter on her, but
it looks good, man. Remember, guys, these are full color. You guys can put whatever colors you guys want inside of this. It doesn't have to just be all blue. You can do whatever color you want. And there's no background. This is all window. They can see through it. If you need electrical, definitely call Chris. He's licensed. He can get your house hooked up. He can get your business hooked up. Whatever you guys need. That was cool, Chris.
Thank you. Thank you for all your help, and I would definitely be bringing all my work trucks over here to have this done. It's very simple.
Yeah, well, you can do it yourself. All right, guys, signing out. Have one last look.